special.
Here's the truth, I'm certified, the leader of the booth. They terrified to feature me, I feel like that's a truce. They triggered, but I'm squeezing blackberries for the juice. I labored for it fairly, but I barely got the fruit. The gossipers sincerely now regret they had no proof. Yet they mentioned it on telly, that they even had the clues, which I kind of thought was very much like putting a noose. Malcom Mufunde is a beast, my greatness isn't news. Got no beef with our appeals, that's not the path I choose. That's not the message I write, it's not the path I knew when we was growing up in Chitu and Gwiza. NOP but my corny hope mukundinzwa. Many flee diaspora, she just took a visa. Many flee van havabo numbu a visa. Many see what I do but can't accomplish that. Magnetized by my direction, encompass that. Listening to all my albums is a campus class. Slept on hibernation till I the grass snakes hit and you relate. It was the ones I trust. If you debate, I fumigate. You the bugs I squash. Washed up, rappers dry. You the ones I splash. Me and Cynic did a tape. You the ones I trush. I weed you out and smoke you up, cause you the ones I crash. Like the leaves of dry weed, but it's bars I spaz.
What the fuck, bruh? How's this rapping better than me? Like, I almost said, wait, have I written this before? What the fuck? Yeah, this is the reason why I'm retiring. Fuck this shit, man. We're useless. I'm sure you wrote the bars, obviously. But, sheesh. Fuck, man. What? This sounds like me. This sounds... I don't even need to do shit anymore. Then you just... Damn it. This is so dope. Well, it's not dope, it's doomsday for me. What am I talking about? It's dope that you've got the skill set, but fuck this shit, man. Fuck.